guys, HanniLady here. So, when I made one of my more recent videos, HanniLady basically, I made a joke in it that was like, who wants to see cosplay content? And then it was my audience like, no one. And I was like, oh. But then I got a lot of comments that you guys would actually like to see some more cosplay content. So here we go. So a long time ago, I made a get ready with me Harley Quinn cosplay when my Harley Quinn cosplay was absolute trash. But since then I got a very good Suicide Squad Harley Quinn cosplay, and then I also got a very good Birds of Prey Harley Quinn cosplay, which is what I'm going to be doing today. But yeah, so this isn't exactly like a tutorial because I don't claim to know anything about makeup or cosplay, even though like it's a very prominent hobby of mine. I don't claim to be able to teach anybody anything about it. So the first thing we're gonna do is get the makeup on. So I pretty much just do my normal like foundation skin routine to get it on. I don't do anything different for Harley really. I might use like a little bit of lighter foundation because she's pale, because acid. Not the drug, the chemical. I already moisturized, don't come for me. And then you know we gotta get that concealer on. The next thing I'm gonna do is the rest of my face. So I'm gonna do the e-girl thing and put blush everywhere because it's adorable. I'm gonna use pigment from the Conspiracy palette. You can't tell me I don't look adorable because you'd be wrong. And then we're gonna contour a little. I use the Kylie Jenner pressed bronzing powder in the shade Khaki because I'm pale and it's the lightest one I could find. And like, Margot Robbie got a pretty snatched face, so gotta get those cheekbones. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade Marshmallow and put it everywhere so we glowy. Alright, and now let's move into eyes. Honestly, I really miss the pink and blue eyeshadow from the first movie, but her new look's still cute, so. It's also a lot harder to find reference pictures for this makeup because most people don't like it as much, so there's not as much to go off of. And I like to just pack on some black. And then I pack in some Diet Cola. If you can't tell, all of the eyeshadow I'm using is from the Conspiracy palette. I will say, this makeup's a lot easier to do though. And like, honestly, that's kind of all I do with eyeshadow. Maybe I'll put like some white in the inner corner. And then let's do eyeliner. Harley doesn't actually have winged eyeliner, but I'm still gonna do it. When have you ever known me to not have winged eyeliner on? Alright, I have been struggling with my brows lately because I don't know what to do with them, so I don't want to hear anything. I saw a trick on TikTok. I already messed it up. Where you make X's on your eyebrows and then you like connect the ends of the X's. That's as good as we're getting with the brows, I think. Now, the most delicate part of the process is the tattoos. Heart. This one's rough. That might be the worst I've ever done it. I'm gonna redo it. It's not perfect, but Now I'm wondering if I should put in my colored contacts before or after I put on fake lashes. I am literally so bad at putting contacts in. My eye is rejecting her. We're struggling. Go in my eye. I'm gonna lose it. We got one. Sometimes you just cry because contacts are so hard to put in. Wow, look at that difference. Amazing. What I've learned while filming this video so far is that my right eye is a little bitch. Alright, last step is lipstick. Alright, I think we have finally finished the makeup portion of this, which is the longest portion, so we can move this along now. But here is an up-close look. It's not the best makeup I've ever done, but it's also not the worst. Now, I have two different Harley outfits from Birds of Prey. So I have her main outfit, which is these shorts, and then her Harley Quinn shirt. But I think that I'm gonna wear her booby trap battle outfit, which is these overalls, and then her pink bra crop top thing, because my videos seem to do better with this outfit, so. Alright, and then I would say the next part for me is I put my wig on usually, and then I put my accessories on after, so, you know, we gotta wig cap it up. And then here she is. This is honestly one of my favorite wigs that I have. It's just so cute. Oh, I have to take my own necklace off. And then we have Harley's huge choker. And a bunch of rings. And then of course Harley needs her mallet, which this is actually a popcorn tub from Cinemark, but it's also her mallet, it's fine. So this is pretty much the finished Booby Trap Battle Harley Quinn Birds of Prey look. So thank you guys for hanging out with me while I got this on, and I'm gonna go make TikToks now. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like my content, make sure to hit subscribe and leave some comments below for videos you guys would like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!